Hey everybody, Ken Conklin here, and welcome back to another episode of Sci-Fi Fantasy and the Kazon Torpedo build. And before any of you Weisenheimers out there say anything, gingers do have souls, we just steal them from other people. But anyway, I keep meaning to tell you guys about the, I was telling you about this stuff, the diffusion that I got with the Voyager kit, and that was from Randy Newbert over at Voodoo Effects. Let me bring the camera over here and down. And who's texting me so early? No, it's not early. I don't even know what time it is. I got up late today. It's been a crazy few weeks. That's why we haven't made any videos, and a lot of work, car troubles, all sorts of stuff, model troubles. But anyway, on Randy's site, he has a parts listing. So, ta-da! I just ordered some of the diffusion sheet. This is one of 3 different types that he has. I'll put a link up. It'll probably be like down here or up there or somewhere. Right to this stuff. Well, right to the parts, not the specific one. So you could get the diffusion from Voodoo Effects, and he has the good shrink wrap that I like. Shrink wrap. I keep calling it shrink wrap. Shrink tubing. It's smaller diameter, but this is, you know, what I need for a lot of applications. I got to see if you can get this in any bigger sizes, because this one I really like. It gets down there nice and snug and nice and tight. And then the third thing that I ordered is already pre-made circuit boards. This way I can just pop my my resistors on there, solder them down, put my leads on for my power, and we're good to go. These things are awesome. This is actually the board I used to make my Voyager, for my Voyager lighting kit, and for Steve Neal's Voyager. He uses the same one. Actually, you might have seen Steve Neal was using one of these in a recent episode that he made. But you can get a lot of stuff from Voodoo Effects, which I didn't know. So check them out. I'll put up the link. And that's that on that. Now, oh, let me reach down here and get this. Ta-da, you're gonna be. Guess what? We're back to primer. A lot of stuff went bad, paint-wise, and I just didn't like how things were coming out, so sanded it down best I could and put another light coat of primer on it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix up the base color, get that on here real quick, which won't take long, and we'll get back to where we were with things. And besides all this, we'd like to welcome a sponsor to Sci-Fi Fantasy. We're going to have Video Workbench as one of our sponsors, actually the very first sponsor, and you'll be seeing I guess links and advertisements to their videos, which are very good, so check them out. They're on YouTube too, and we'll have more information on that. But yes, this guy's in primer, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up paint, which I only have big jars left because my other paint is in the smaller jars, and we'll start painting this up. Maybe we'll get it on camera. We'll see if I can get it in focus from far enough away where I don't overspray on the camera, because I can't afford to buy a new one of those now. So we'll see you all in a few minutes. Hey guys, sorry if the compressor is a little loud, but we're just gonna get the base coat on. I figure, well, since we're doing it again, might as well put it, hey, get my wires out of the way, might as well put it on a video. Let's see, let's move that guy up a little more. Now the great thing about this ship is that it's pretty much one color besides the little bit of gray up front. If this was a 1/350th scale refit or something like that and I had to repaint it, I would not have been happy. I hope this is in focus because I don't have a cameraman. I have me, the little guy's playing Minecraft. Just doing a light coat of the base color. Somebody's texting me or Facebooking me. And yes, I know, I should have a spray booth or something like that, but I don't. I'm in an apartment. One day I'll have a house, and I will get a nice studio up and running. But until that day, we hope we don't get paint all over everything. It's not a model if there isn't a cat hair in there somewhere that I'm going to have to pluck out. Ah, who's calling? We're just going to have to wait. Probably the wife. Now, this is the hardest part to get in. And if I didn't say it, this is, to me, is desert yellow. This is the base coat. Not worried about the brass rod either. Gonna sand it down, make it nice and shiny, get brass out, and do that. Let's see, we're missing a little spot there. I like to use the little painting cup just because I don't waste as much paint as I do with the big thing, the big jar. But if you're working on a bigger ship, what I do is I take a notebook, and when I do get a color that I want to use all the time, I'll write down the percentages of what color. This way You never know when you're going to do that model again. At least you have it in a notebook somewhere. And look, a few spots I missed. There's always somewhere I missed. Okay, well, the cup is out of paint. So what I'm going to do, I'm hoping all that was on camera. If not, I'm going to have to edit it. Get this guy on the stand, let it dry a little bit, do another batch of paint, and then we'll do the front. Okay, a few spots missed in the crevices. Over here. Over there. Always something. Uh-oh. No, not paint, just wires stuck. Trying to get this in view for you and see what I'm missing. Nope, didn't get it all. Gotta check all your angles. Otherwise you get dang primer showing through. Especially when you're putting the model together first and you got a lot of parts in your way. Let's see. Yeah, what's up, buddy?
Is Mom here?
No, Mom's not here. Just me, you, and the camera running. Want to be the cameraman while we're filming? Because we are filming right now.
Oh.
Mom won't be home till later tonight.
Okay.
I don't know what time. Not quite sure, young man. She said she's going to be at the farm for a while. Okie dokie. That's the little guy, everybody.
I look different.
Yeah, Kenny looks different. He got a haircut. Not a hippie anymore. Not our little hippie anymore. Okie dokie, let's see. I missed the top. Ugh. Damn wires. Let's see. hard to see. Okay, next thing up, we'll do a little pre-shading on some stuff here. Now, don't worry about being too neat. It's going to get covered anyhow. And as we go, not talking too much just because of the, I don't know how well you can hear me with the, whatchamacallit, the compressor going. And it's very hard to keep this where you can see it, if the neck on my tripod doesn't go up that high where I can go up and over and make it a lot easier for you to see. Keep trying to look at the model and the monitor, and it's not an easy thing to do. Okay. Just railed her into the lamp. But anyway, you get the idea of what I'm doing. I gotta brush my mouth and see if I can focus it. Going over panel lines and stuff like that. So I'm gonna finish this one up. And the video I know is getting a little long, so we'll make an ending to this one. I'll probably get you in 2 videos today because I want to show you the rest of it. So I'll be back in a little while. Okay, so we got all that done, all the line work, and we misted it black again. If I can get there. Misted black all over like I did last time. This way when I go over the next coat it starts to look dirty, which we want this guy to do. We want him to look dirty, dirty, dirty. And I think that'll be it for this video. This way it's not too long. And then I'll make another video, the next video, with this guy repainted over here. and we'll start doing the masking and get to this, and hopefully we'll get all the major paint done today, and then it's a lot of detail painting and then waiting on a stand and it's finally done. So thanks for watching this video. I'm not going to throw my ugly mug back on there just yet because we will be making another video, and I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Bye.